Okay, so this is video for Tuesday night, February 6th. Number one, a line passes through the origin and the point 4, -3. Provide two more points that are on the line. So in order to be able to do this, first we have to figure out what the line looks like. I've already got the points on there, so we can go ahead and connect them. So here's how I connect them. Just draw a straight line like that, go through that point, and now I'm going to go backwards just to make sure it works both ways. So there's the line, and now I just need to figure out the slope of that line so that I know how to give two more points. So I can do two things. I can figure out the slope, or I could just count, right? So from 0, 0 to 4, -3, that's down 3 and over 4. So it looks something like this if I use, let's use a highlighter on this. We use orange. So this goes down, whoops, that's too fat. Let's go something like that. There we go. Goes down 3 and over 4, like that. Let me erase this part. Okay, down 3 over 4. So then I should be able to go down 3 and over 4 again, right? 1, 2, 3, over 4, and that point should be on the line as well. And then down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 4. But that's kind of off my line there. So maybe we'll go up. So we'll go over 4 and up 3, and that's another point on the line. So this point and this point are 2 points on the line. This is the point -4, 3. This is the point, let's see, it's 4, so 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm down 3 from -3, so -6. So there's two more points on the line, -4, 3, and 8, -6. Here's another way to do it. I can figure out the slope of the line. Well, I already know that the rise is -3, -3. And the run is 4, and so slope equals rise, which is -3, over run, which is 4, which is -3/4, right? So that means for every 4 I go over, I go down 3. So I could have looked at these coordinates and went, okay, from 4, -3, I go down 3, so that's -6. -3 minus 3 is -6. And plus 4 over 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and I arrive at that set of coordinates. So you can use the slope to do that, or you can use the graphics of just drawing the steps there. Okay, so that's one kind of problem you'll have to do on the quiz. Here's another type of problem. Graph the line and give the equation. Okay, fine. So I just need to plot these points. So there's 0, 2, -4 is right there. 4, -8 is right there, because this goes by 4s, so that's 4, 8, 12. 6, -12 is right there, so I can draw this line like that. So there's the graph. And now I have to give the equation. Well, in order to give the equation is y equals mx, with m being the slope. M equals rise over run, right? So what is the rise? So when I go from 0 to this point, the rise is -4, -4, and the run is +2. So this is -4, this is +2. So -4 over 2 is the same thing as -2. I can check that by drawing my little triangles here. So let's go back to our little triangles. I go down to here and over to there. So this is down 4, this is -4, and this is +2. So again, rise over run, minus 4 over 2, minus 2. So the equation for this line is y equals negative 2x. That's the equation for the line. So I got the line and the equation for the line. I answered the problem. Last one, in the problem above, when x equals 20, what does y equal? Well, let's just have to plug that into the equation. That's why we find the equation y equals negative 2x. So I just put 20 into that equation, y equals negative 2 times 20, which is negative 40. So when x equals 20, y equals negative 40, so that's the point, 20, negative 40. That's the answer, 20, negative 40. All right. So now I'm going to give you two problems, and I want you to pause in between. The first problem, if I give you the points, negative 6, 3, and 4, 8, what is the slope? What is the equation? And give me 2 more points. Okay, so pause this and try to answer those 3 questions. Okay, hopefully you paused this and you attempted those 3 questions. I'm going to do them one at a time. So first, let's do what is the slope? So the slope is rise over run. So the rise are the y coordinates, right? This is y1, this is y2. And the run are the x coordinates, x1 and x2. The ones and the twos, just differentiate them between one another. It's no big deal. So the rise, I go from 3 to 8. 3 to 8, that's plus 5. So the rise is 5. So rise over run equals slope. And the run goes from negative 6 to positive 4. That's plus 10. Because I go from negative 6 over here to 4 over here. So that's 6 to get to 0 and another 4 to get to 4. So that's 10. So the run is 10. So this simplifies to 1/2. So my slope is positive 1/2. So I'm going to go ahead and pause and give you a chance to now put that in the equation. Okay, here's the equation. Y equals mx, right? So y equals, slope is m, 1/2 x. Y equals 1/2 x. That's the equation. All right, now I'm going to pause and let you come up with 2 more points that would be on that line, y equals 1/2 x.
Fernando, if you are in the building, your dad is outside waiting for you.
Okay. So to do 2 more points, we just have to choose an x and plug it in. So let's choose an x of 8, x of 8. So if I plug 8 into the equation, y equals 1/2 x, half of 8 equals 4. So this is 4. Let's choose a negative number for x. Let's say x is negative 12. So y equals 1/2 times negative 12 equals negative 12 over 2 equals negative 6. So y is negative 6. So there's 2 more points that are on the line. We did all that without a graph. All right, see you guys in class tomorrow.